Hello everybody, welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. On today's video we have the POWERLDD Pro fast charging portable charger. Let's get this bad boy beast unboxed and check out what it can do. Alright, so this is the POWERLDD Pro 130 watt portable power bank 18,400 milliamp hour laptop portable chargers with 3 ports: USB-C 1, USB-C 2, and USB-A. It's got an external smart digital display as well, and it's compatible with all the iPhones 15, 14, 13, Samsung, iPad, MacBooks, and laptops. Great device, comes with a USB-C cable included, no need to go out and buy one. So now let's take a look at the device itself because it feels nice and it looks good to the touch. And wow, look at that, 18,400 milliamp hour battery, large capacity. This thing is huge. It can really power a lot of devices, and like I said, you got 3 ports: USB-A, USB-C Type-C 2, USB-C Type-C 1. And look at this display on this thing. All you have to do is first we're going to take off that plastic cover, and then you just hit the power button and you'll see this beautiful glossy display pop on. First off, we're just going to go through some of the specs. So the USB Type-C input is 5 through 20 volts, 65 watts max. USB Type-C 2 is input 5 through 20 and it's 60 watts max. The output is 60 watts max as well. USB Type-A is 30 watts max. So you got the 60 watts, 100 watts, and the 30 watts from the different ports. And here is that nice display that I was talking about. Beautiful. It's got the TFT intelligent display and temperature control, which you will see when you select one of these menu options. It'll actually show you the temperature of the battery. So as you can see right here, I'm just kind of zooming in on the nice menu there, moving into the next menu item, and you can see the battery capacity, and you can see input charging is blue and output charging will be green. And then here you'll see the runtime, the last charge, max capacity, your temperature, your total output, and your battery cycles. So it's very intelligent. And charging is very easy. You can charge from either port, USB-C, make sure it's USB-C, and you can see it turns green when you're charging. So that's very helpful to know. So blue when you're charging a device, and green when you're charging this device. Now what we're going to do is the fun part, what I like to do. This MacBook I have M2 is about at 50% charge. We want to see what kind of charging speeds we can get with this power brick on both ports. So right away, look at that. 60 watts are being delivered through that port straight into the MacBook Air. Fantastic. And like I said, that battery's at 50%. If it was at maybe 20%, you might even get higher. 60 watts coming through that cable. Now let's go to the USB-C 1 port and see what kind of speeds that's getting. And look at that, it's even higher. We're rocking 70 watts over here, close to 70 watts, 50% battery capacity. Look at that, 78, 77, 78 watts coming through that cable from this portable battery bank. This thing is absolutely a fast charger and it delivers. Nice design and sleek. Now what I'm going to do is just do a power share. We're just going to plug in the MacBook Air along with my phone just to see if it can charge both devices at once, which we know it can, but let's just see what it can do there. So it's going to power share. You could see it's got a lower watt, so 23 watts, and it's going to be sharing that, and that's fine. But so far, so good. And that was the POWERLDD Pro Fast Charging Portable Charger. Fantastic device. Get yours now.